Hi folks, Paul Spica with Kelly Sport here for the Kelly Sport Academy. We're gonna share some tips and tricks on docking. Today, we're gonna hitch a dock line. So with tying off to a cleat or hitching a dock line, less is more. A lot of times you'll see people do this number, 29 of these, 7 loops. All that does is take longer to get off the dock and untie, and it's a knot, it's a mess. So we're gonna show you a simple, safe, and effective way to hitch a cleat. All kinds of opinions out there. This one's worked for me. Been doing it for a number of years, and we've never lost a boat, so we're gonna keep up on that record. We wanna start on the outside horn or shoulder of the cleat, not on the inside. That gives you better leverage. It's less likely to pull or unwrap. So starting on the outside, we loop around the back and then make a figure 8, put a hitch in there. So that hitch is just turning the line underneath, you get a loop, you pull back. As this draws and tightens, that line tightens on itself. That's called a hitch. You're gonna see it in a lot of different line knots. If you're paranoid, it's gonna be windy, or you're leaving the boat for a while, etc., you can put a second hitch in there. Hope that helped out, made the life a little bit simpler, answered some questions. Again, thank you guys. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the water.